This chair's in the shot.
Move it, move it.
There we go.
Gotta make sure you drink your water in the day. No, Joe! No! No! Ah! Swallow. Oh, that's what she said.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Joe.
My name's Din.
This is Dinty, who is now officially my wife. Show and prove it. Very nice. There it is.
You gotta give me a fist bump. Imagine if we did that and then we got like superpowers.
Probably.
Like
Hair fire.
or we go somewhere.
Teleport. Last time Dinty was on the channel was about, I think, around a year and a half ago or so. So that was before the wedding. Been married about 8 months now. Dinty is back.
Dinty is back!
Guys, go check out her Instagram. She has nice photos of her nice little face on there. Anyways, last time Dinty curled my hair. If you missed that video, it is up here, so definitely a fun watch. This time, Dinty's gonna be styling my hair 2 different ways. I told you how you're gonna do it, do you remember?
I'm gonna do a slick back, great for when you wanna go out for dinner and good things like that, and a normal hairstyle, which I watch Joe do every day, so hopefully I can redo it.
I'm gonna be giving Dinty very minimal guidance, so it's gonna be mostly on you. Might help out here and there, depending on how things are going. And with that said, I'm gonna go get my hair damp. We'll get right into it. For the first hairstyle, we're gonna be doing the volumized quiff I normally go to, using Original and Cavalier. And a professional hairstylist behind us is gonna tell you exactly what these products do.
Oh my gosh, wait. Hide your arms. And then like...
So, to my right, we have Original by BluMaan. This is the perfect option for all pre-styling needs. A little bit, you just take a little bit, put in damp hair, blow dry it through, and boom, skedaddle. You've got a beautiful hold and control in your hairstyle. So yeah, gnarly, go surf some waves.
Okay, so wait, which camera am I looking at?
Mostly that one, I guess.
Okay, so I'm gonna start out with Original by BluMaan.
That's me.
Now then, with this, I think you wanna take about that much. You don't want to take that much.
That's a lot. Yeah.
You want to take that much?
That's still a lot. Dinty, just like, just get a normal finger. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. I just made a massive finger mark.
Oh my gosh.
I'm really sorry.
For all those OCD people out there, this is not your video.
I went into the National Museum of Art and I moved one of the paintings 2 inches to the right. Just think about that for a while.
Yeah, we're gonna go like this.
Emulsify, baby.
Okay. I think we usually go like this.
Mm-hmm.
Just spread it evenly. I bet you quite like the feeling of this.
It feels really nice. Did you get it in the fringe enough?
I think. I might get a little bit more.
I don't think you need more.
So we're gonna put this on a cold heat.
Are we?
Oh wait, no. You want to put it on a warm heat because then it opens up the follicles of the hair.
Yeah. Do you need to comb my hair into position or anything, or is this how
No.
Okay.
When it's about 80% dry, I feel like I'm doing a tutorial. Like I actually know what I'm talking about.
So far this looks completely different to what I normally do. So we'll see how it works.
Right, let me just go like this.
So do I normally have a parting on one side of my head?
Here?
No, other side.
Here.
Yeah. See how that much more naturally
Oh yeah.
falls into position? That's a bit hot.
Okay. These bits stick up, like, so you need to go like this, get it down. Yeah! Now we're talking. I'm actually really proud of that. No. Joe.
Yes.
You can't touch it.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're gonna get some original by BluMaan.
No.
Now we're gonna get this.
No.
This.
Yes. Come and tell them about it.
Right. So, well, they've probably already heard it.
No, none of them have ever heard of Cavalier clay.
I'm gonna remind you what this product is. This is Cavalier Clay by BluMaan. Oh, that actually smells so good.
Very nice.
I'd have that in a candle if I could.
So Cavalier is
For thick hair.
Yeah, Cavalier's for thick hair. It's a really strong holding product. It's a dense, heavy hold. So if you really need to get your hair under control, that's what you go to Cavalier for. And I need my hair under control, Din, so can you help me out?
Yeah.
Thanks.
A scoop.
It's thick, isn't it? It's thicker than you expected.
That's what she said.
I'm literally like... My finger's gonna snap. How much?
That looks good. All right.
You go like this.
Dinty has never dealt with Cavalier clay before. You do have to emulsify
You have to
it.
heat it up, that's what you have to do.
Yeah, you gotta really rub it in there. This is a good product, I promise.
Uh-oh, okay. Whew. This is where it all goes a bit serious.
Alright, so just just be gentle. You can dig in there, just don't go too fast. Oh, head scratches again. Very nice. Looking professional. By the way, my hair on my sides is getting pretty long right now, so it might look a little different to my normal hairstyle, but I'm growing it out because I got something special coming up by the time you've seen this, basically, the next video after this one, there's a huge change coming up with my hair. You guys have been saying you want to see something different. Something different is coming. So my hair is a little bit poofy on the sides right now. It's for a good reason. I'm having a big change. Stick around, next video. Whenever Dinty goes quiet, it means she's concentrating really hard. So this is taking a lot of your mental capacity, isn't it?
Okay. Look at this bit.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that cool?
It's pretty cool, Din. Nice. Well, I'd say what you did looks pretty good. It's a little bit more, it's a little bit messier and a little bit more texturized kind of throughout, but I think it still looks pretty cool.
So in the comments below, comment 1 to 10 on how you think I did on those.
1 to 10 on my normal quiff. This is the finished result. We'll give you a little bit of a look.
And if you think that I do better than what Joe usually does to his hair, comment #Dinty does it better.
Great. That's all the comments are gonna be now.
I'm so proud of that. Like for real, don't touch it, but have a look at it properly. Not gonna toot my own horn.
Trump my own toot.
Trump my own toot. I actually thought I was gonna do a really bad job, but actually really happy with that. Beep, beep, beep. Woo! All right, Mr. Attitude. Woo! You know what?
Dinty.
Sorry.